The NATO alliance is ramping up its readiness in the face of growing tensions with Russia. On Thursday, a senior alliance official announced that offers from NATO allies have significantly surpassed the goal of 300,000 troops. These forces are now available at a heightened state of readiness, ready to respond immediately. However, the official acknowledged that capability gaps need to be addressed. Despite the high number of troops, the alliance needs more air defenses and longer range missiles. These shortfalls must be tackled to ensure NATO can execute its defense plans effectively. This push for increased troop readiness is part of a broader strategy to deter any potential Russian aggression. The strategy was approved during a summit last year and involves developing multiple land corridors to swiftly move US troops and armor to the front lines. Key logistical routes are being established, with ports like Rotterdam playing a crucial role. Efforts are also underway to expand these routes to other ports, ensuring that Moscow cannot easily disrupt NATO's supply lines. Western leaders have warned that their governments must prepare for the possibility of conflict with Russia in the coming decades. NATO commanders are working diligently to ensure they have the necessary capabilities to respond effectively if needed. In a rare move, NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg highlighted the alliance's nuclear capabilities. He announced that the Netherlands' F-35 fighter jets are now ready to carry nuclear arms, and the US is modernizing its nuclear arsenal in Europe. These statements underscore NATO's commitment to adapting its defenses to current threats. Meanwhile, Russia continues its military posturing. On Tuesday, that is on 11th of June, Moscow announced the second stage of drills for developing tactical nuclear weapons with Belarusian forces. Russian President Vladimir Putin has repeatedly indicated that Moscow could resort to nuclear weapons in extreme situations.